Check it out, campers. Jeffrey Cass with Sun Camper RV, Fort Pierce, Florida. I'm going to walk you through this 2022 Wolf Pup 16 FQ Black Label. Black Label gives you those seamless windows, that beautiful gray exterior. You got the black aluminum alloy wheels. Check this out. You got in the back of the camper, you got a nice luggage rack. You can accessorize off that. You got a rear view camera. I'm gonna take you inside the unit right now. Here we go. Look at that, 16 FQ Black Label, folks. Come on down to Sun Camper Liquidators. Ask for Jeffrey Cass. Let's take a peek inside this thing. You got a nice Murphy bed. I got the bed opened up. That'll fold back in. You'll have a couch underneath it. Beautiful black espresso cabinets. Swing you over here to the kitchen. Nice stone countertop. Look at that. Undermount sink. You got that commercial grade faucet. 12-volt refrigerator. That's 11.5 cubic feet of storage. Tons of room for the food, folks. Tons. You got a nice dinette. That'll turn into a bed. You got an extra guest. You got somewhere to sleep on. Take you over into the bathroom here. Look at this. Look at this. A nice vanity. Very rare for a camper this size. Typically, it's a shower and a toilet. Look at that. Look at that shower head. Gorgeous. Come on down to Sun Camper Liquidators. Ask for Jeffrey Cass, Fort Pierce, Florida.